Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Safari can't open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. For example, if you try to open the web page on your iPhone iOS 26 and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone Safari. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. So here you have to simply close the page and you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on that and you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the apps. And in apps, you have to look for Safari, and in Safari, you have to check whether you have done all the data connection for the Safari, and you have to simply make sure that it is allowing Safari suggestion and also quick website search. So here you can simply see all the settings of the Safari. Moreover, you can simply select not secure connection warning and all the toggles are on. So here you can simply check for all the settings whether they are on or off. So here you can simply check for that, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Safari again and you have to try to open the tab again, and after that you will see that the website has opened and now you are not getting this kind of error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.